Hey coaches, I have a few tips on adding resources to your Echo courses that will make your life easier and your course look better. When building our Echo courses, we all usually have resources that we add to support our facilitation or for our participants. These resources might be a Word document, a slide deck, or a PowerPoint, a Google Doc, a website, a YouTube video, and more. A lot of times we add these items and they appear as a link or as an attachment, which works and in some cases may be our best option, but might not be so pleasing to the eye or easy to navigate. Within this video, I will explore all the many ways you can add resources to your course that will not only make it look great, but will also make it easier to navigate. This video covers how to add a Google slide deck, a PowerPoint, a Word document or PDF, a Google Doc, a website, and a YouTube video. Not all of the ways I will show you today are the only way that you can add items to your course and may not always work best for you, but it is just another way that you might not be aware of how to add resources to your course. Let's get started. Let's explore adding a Google slide deck to your course using the Embed Code and Rich Text Editor activity type. First, we'll start with the Embed Code. Before adding the Embed Code activity type to your Echo course, you need to do some work to your Google slide deck. First, you need to adjust your share settings. Double-click or right-click on your slide deck and select Share. Within the settings, make sure you have Anyone with a link can view. This will allow all course participants to see your slide deck without having to ask for permission and without having editing rights. Now that our share settings are in order, let's get the Embed Code. Open your Google slide deck, click File, select Publish to Web, click Embed, and then click Publish. Once this action is complete, copy the embed code by highlighting it and pressing Command-C on your keyboard. Now you're ready to embed the code to your Echo course. Enter your course through the Editor tool, click the Add to link, and select Embed Code. Give your activity a title, and then paste your embed code in by pressing Command-V on your keyboard and hit OK. Click the Preview option on this activity to see how the slide deck will look from a student's perspective. Here you can see that the slide deck now lives within Echo and does not lead your participants outside of Echo to view it. If you make changes to the slide deck, they will be reflected in the slide deck that is now embedded into the Echo course. Now let's explore adding a slide deck using the Rich Text activity type. You might want to use a Rich Text activity type to add a slide deck to your course if you have text that needs to go along with your slide deck or an image or end-to-end branding. Before adding your slide deck within a Rich Text activity, make sure your share settings are in order. When adding a slide deck within a Rich Text activity, you will also need that embed code. Open your slide deck, click File, click Publish to the Web, and select Embed to get that same embed code we got before. Same thing, Command-C to copy it, and now you're ready to add that embed code into the Rich Text activity within your Echo course. So again, enter your Echo course through the Editor tool and click the Add to link. This time select Rich Text Activity. Give it a name. I'm going to add an image. Not that one, this one. adding my image, and now I want to add a title. And I'm going to now put my cursor where I want to embed my slide deck. This is right where I want my slide deck to show up. Now I click the embed icon. This is it right here. Paste in your embed code and click OK. Select OK to save it. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the first activity type. We're going to check out that preview option to see how it will look like from a student perspective. So now you can see that my image is here, my title is here, and now my slide deck lives within this page. And your participants will not have to leave Echo to view it. Again, if you make changes to the slide deck in Google, they will be reflected in the slide deck that's now embedded into this rich text activity type. Let's explore adding a PowerPoint to an Echo course using the assignment activity type. Remember, this is an alternative way to add a PowerPoint. It is not the only way, and it is not how you have to do it. It is just a suggestion to make your Echo course look a bit nicer and easier to navigate. Before adding a PowerPoint using the assignment activity type in Echo, we need to do some background work involving Google. First, upload your PowerPoint to your Google Drive. Select File Upload. Choose the PowerPoint you want and click Open. Once your PowerPoint is uploaded into Google, make sure your share settings are in order so your participants can view your PowerPoint. I want anyone with a link to be able to view and click Save. Now that my share settings are set up, I'm ready to add the PowerPoint to my Echo course. Going to enter my course through the editor tool, click the Add to Link, and I'm going to click Assignment. Give the assignment a name, and then click Google Document. Choose Google Document. And now you need to find your PowerPoint within your Google Drive. Select, and now you can click Save. Again, we're going to preview this activity to see what it looks like from a student's perspective. Notice that now this PowerPoint lives within Echo. Your participants can view it without having to download it or opening a new window, but they do have the option to pop it out if they'd like, where they can then copy it or download it from Google if they want to. If you make changes to your PowerPoint on your desktop within the PowerPoint program, those changes will not be reflected in Echo. What you would have to do is then re-upload it to Google and re-add it to Echo if by chance you need to make changes. Let's explore adding a Word document or PDF to your course using the File Attachment activity type. If you have a Word document that you want to add as a resource to your Echo course, it is best to first export it as a PDF if you want to add it as a file attachment, which will then allow it to show full screen within Echo. Let's try it. Here is a Word document I want to add to my course. First, I'm going to save or export it as a PDF. Now I'm ready to add it to a course. Enter your course through the editor tool and then click the Add to link. Select File Attachment. Give the attachment a name click Choose File, and find the PDF you want to attach. Make sure it says PDF. Click OK. And just as we did before, we're going to preview this to see what it looks like from a student perspective. And now you can see that even though it is a PDF, it still shows full screen and your participants still have the option to download. Now let's explore adding a Google document using the assignment activity type. First, you'll want to make sure your share settings are in order for the document you're going to embed into your Echo course. Double-click on your Google Doc, click the Share settings, and make sure you have anyone with a link can view. This will let your participants view the document without having to ask for permission, and it will also keep them from being able to edit your document. Once your share settings are in order, go back to your course, click the editor icon and the Add to link. Select the assignment type, give the assignment a name, and select Google Document. Choose Google Document. You will locate it in your Google Drive, hit Select, and then Save. We can preview this if we'd like to see what it looks like from a student perspective. And now you can see that document lives within Echo. If you make changes to this document within Google, the changes will show live in Echo. Let's take a look at embedding a website into your Echo course. Sometimes we build courses and want to add a link to a helpful website. Echo allows you to link a website in, and then the website will actually live within your Echo course instead of redirecting your participants outside of Echo. So first, you will want to enter your course using the editor tool. Click the Add to link, and then select Website. Give your activity a title. And then right here, you'll want to grab your URL. So I have this website here. I'm going to Command-C, copy the URL right up here at the top. Then I will go back to my Echo course and paste the URL in. I do not want it to launch in a new window, so I'm not going to select this. I want it to live right inside my Echo course so my people that will be using the course don't have to go outside of it. You click OK, and now we can preview it to see what it will look like from a student's perspective. And here you go. Now the website lives right inside of Echo, and your people don't even have to leave to find it. Makes your course look very nice as well. Let's explore 2 ways to add a YouTube video to your Echo course. First, let's look at how to add a YouTube video using the actual YouTube activity type. So enter your course through the course editor and click the Add to link and select YouTube video. Give it a name. And then you will go to your YouTube video that you want to put into your course. Click this Share button and copy using Command-C this URL. Come back to your course and paste your URL in and hit OK. Now if you go to the Preview button, you can see that the YouTube video is embedded. Another way you can do this is using the Rich Text Activity Editor. So if you click Add to Course and choose Rich Text Activity, give it a name. So this is done with an embed code. So you might want to use the Rich Text Activity Editor to embed a YouTube video if you want to add words with it or images. So I am going to add an image, give my video a title, and then put my cursor where I want my video to show up, hit this embed icon, come over to my YouTube video. In this same window where I got this URL, I'll click embed, and now it pops up with an embed code. Highlight it, Command C to copy, come back to my course, and paste it in. Hit OK, and then OK again, and I can preview it. And now I can see I have my nice branding and my title and my video. And you can also center your video here as well.